Guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title. I'm about to tell you about some ways you can save some money, and I promise you right now, especially if you are in the US, now is the time to be trying to save money every way you possibly can. Even if you have like extra money to spend, you need to be shopping smarter, not harder. So if you guys want to know all about Ulta's 21 days of beauty, let's go. Okay, so if you guys have not heard, maybe you're new to makeup, the beauty world, Ulta has kicked off their 21 days of beauty. I believe it started yesterday. And I feel like 21 days of beauty is kind of Ulta's version of the Sephora sale. You guys know twice a year, Sephora has a spring sale and a fall sale where the big thing about it is like you get a discount code depending on what tier you are at Sephora, and people like go ham at that point because you know Sephora has some pricier brands and they don't really have sales as often. I will say as the years have gone on, they have definitely, you know, thrown in more deals as time has gone on. But if you've been here, like you remember those like 2014, 15, those days, you know it was a thing because that was the only time we were gonna get any type of discounts at Sephora. Now, while the Sephora sale is like a 20%, 50%, 10% off type of sale, the Ulta Beauty one, they have more specific sales. Like it's very specific products, specific brands that are going on sale. And I feel like that's why you don't hear it talked about the same or as much, because Sephora, you can like, well, there are some things that aren't included in the Sephora sale, but Sephora just buy whatever you want to buy. But the Ulta, you have to pay attention because there are certain days for you to get certain deals. But I will say that's Ulta's like biggest thing, the most talked about type sale. However, Ulta also has like 20% off coupons as well. And if you know about their rewards program, you already know. But because the Ulta sale is very specific, you have to pay attention to what days depending on the product, stuff like that. I decided I would go through the 21 days and see if there are any deals on products that I would recommend that I really like. And it's like, yeah, absolutely, positively, now is the time for you to pick this up. Yesterday, when it kicked off, it kicked off with good deals. One of them that I pointed out on my Instagram story was they had God Is a Woman by Ponytail. That is a very good fragrance, very clean. I like to wear it before bed because it's just like a refreshing type of fragrance. It's not doing too much. It's not too strong, because when I say that, people be like, fragrance to go to bed? Yes, fragrance to go to bed, because you know you can go to almost said something else. You can go to bed still wanting to, you know, look and feel your best. And it's not, you know, it's not an overpowering type fragrance, but it's also a good daytime, everyday fragrance. You're just going to chill around the house, but want to smell good, or, you know, you're going to run errands, a day job, something like that. So that was a good deal that they had yesterday. And they also had Sacred on sale yesterday, the hair oil and the edge drops. Now, I have not tried the hair oil. I have heard good things about it. However, baby, them edge drops, mind you, when I purchased it for the first time in July. So I'm about a month-ish into using it, and I'm seeing some things in my hairline. I've seen people who are talking about using it on their hairline, you know, with certain styles that you get on your head. It's caused balding. I've seen it being used on men because of balding. Not so much balding, like maybe they have a bald spot or something like that. Not like you got a full bald head and it's just gonna have everything grow back in, right? Like bald spots, I've seen it used, but also I have seen it being used on men when it comes to their beards. Y'all know beards be looking a little patchy. So I have been seeing that men have also been using it in their beards as well. So that was definitely a product to pick up. Now, I believe it's like $52 or something like that. When I went to go look, I'm thinking like maybe a little $30, $40. I said 52. Oh. But it was on sale for like $22 or something like that. And that is a product that sells out very quickly. I saw a post saying something like they sell one of those like every 16 seconds or something like that. So like those are the type of deals that we talking about. The sun finna piss me off. But I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm gonna try to go day by day. There is 20 more, and just point out anything that I'm like, yeah, you might want to go for that. So let's see, today's 50% off steals. Lancome Tint Idole Full Coverage Foundation is now $26.50. That is a very good foundation, a very OG foundation. I feel like, didn't they just recently like reformulate or launch a new version of that or something like that? I need to check the app, but that is definitely one to pick up. For the ingrown concentrate is now $17. That is good, especially for like my waxing girlies or anything like, well, waxing, anything that you do down there, that is definitely something to pick up, help with ingrowns, you know, help keep you fresh down there. You know, it's already confusing enough down there. And you know, you're not, I feel like the language around stuff that women use for feminine hygiene in that area gets very confusing because yes, you're not supposed to insert anything like that to clean or anything like that, but I think people also forget about the skin around that area. Like that is what people are referring to when they talk about cleaning certain things. However, do people absolutely positively go overboard and try to make it like the cleaning Olympics? Yes. Well, I smell like pineapples. All right, Miss Coochie connoisseur. Like, girl. And that's it for today. Okay, Monday, September 1st, Mugles Alien Goddess is going to be on sale, 50% off. Moving on, Tuesday, September 2nd. Let me tell you, Dermablend is a brand that I will admit, definitely forgot about. Tried it in the past. They have a very good setting powder, a very good setting spray. I still have the setting spray, but I actually did some work for them recently and I had to use their body makeup and I used their CC cream, their concealer, and I think a mascara, something like that, right? I had the CC cream on right now. I was like, wait a minute, I'm here for the CC cream. I don't remember trying it in the past. So I don't know if it was something that they've come out with more recently, but I was like, wait a minute, because it's giving skin, absolutely positively. But the body makeup specifically, if you are somebody who, you know, or maybe you're a makeup artist, something like that, you're working on set where you need good products for body makeup. If you are just a regular consumer, you have tattoos, scars, bruises, birthmarks. I also posted the video here on YouTube to show me covering up the birthmark on my shoulder. It is very good when it comes to coverage. If you set it, it's very good on transferring everything like that. So it's going to be on sale Tuesday, September 2nd. So I would absolutely positively recommend that. I haven't experienced too much with body makeup. I've done tanning. I've done videos on tanning, stuff like that. But body makeup, I haven't done that much. But this is body makeup that I actually like, this one. Okay, Wednesday, September 3rd. Briogio's Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. Baby, let me tell you, A1 when it comes to hair care products. Briogio, the brand in general, but that hair mask, I'm talking if you have damaged hair, weak hair, like you need some repairing. That is a mask that you need to check out. So definitely get that for half off if you can. Kiehl's Mega Moisture Squalane Cream. So they sent this to me earlier this year and I was like, oh, this is a really good cream. And here's the, like, I'm such a great daughter because I was talking to my dad on the phone and he was talking about how he just felt like, you know, his skin was dry, stuff like that. So I said, oh, you know, I know a product that's like, it's good, it's giving moisture. I kind of like those lotions, especially during the day where you just feel like moisture is being added to your body. It kind of feels like you splashed water on, but the hydration from the water is like you can feel that and it stays on the skin. That's what this gives. So I did give it to my dad and he really likes it. So man, woman, that's definitely a product that I would recommend. And again, 50% off. Okay, Thursday, September 4th, Lancome's Juicy Tube Original Lip Gloss. Those are really good lip glosses. And y'all know, I done told y'all, when it comes to lip products, I'm pretty good on Fenty. NYX is another brand that I really like when it comes to their lip products. So, you know, I've got pretty affordable, I have an affordable option with NYX, a mid-range price with Fenty. So when we start getting into like Dior, Lancome, stuff like that, you know, it's a little pricier, but just know if I'm saying I'm going to bat for something that's a little pricier, it's worth it for a lip product. Cause I like that it's a lip gloss like that where it's not like too pigmented to the point where it's like, baby, you could have just made this a lipstick, a lip, something like that. But it's not one of those like lip balms, but it's tinted, but you put it on, it's giving the same, like every shade looks the same color because it's so sheer, but in a lip gloss form. That's a really good product. I like those. I keep the clear one in my bag. And also, No, every clear lip gloss is not the same. They don't give the same when you put it on. That is one you keep in your bag and you just want to rehydrate your lips throughout the day. It's going to look good on and your lips are going to feel good. Friday, September 5th, Buxom's Full On Plumping Lip Polish. Yeah, I told y'all, Buxom, their lip products are a brand that it's not talked about enough. Again, a little more pricier for lip gloss, lip balm, stuff like that, but their products are really good, especially the plumping one. If you are someone who likes plumping lip products, it's go, y'all know I done got some lip filler allegations. So the products are doing exactly what they need to do. So I would recommend that one. Oh, the CosRx. I'm not sure if that's how you say that brand, but their advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence is going to be on sale. Absolutely, positively. That is currently the essence that I'm using right now. I just did a video talking about my skincare. I would absolutely recommend that. Okay, moving on. Saturday, September 6th, Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Matte Liquid Foundation. I know that's a you love it or you hate it. I'm one of the ones I love it. I do have oily skin, so keep that in mind. But I like that foundation and I've found a shade in that foundation. That's another thing. People say that the shades run a lot more orange for the deeper complexions. But if you need a matte foundation and you have oily skin and you can find a shade, I like that one. So I'm letting you know. Okay, Sunday, September 7th, Beautyblender's Original Makeup Sponge is Beautyblender. I feel like, baby, it's gonna be on sale. Monday, September 8th. Tuesday, September 9th. Oh, Kate Somerville, her EradiKate Acne Spot Treatment. So just like a spot treatment, if you have a breakout and you're like, I need this gone within the next 24 to 48 hours, put this on it. It's gonna be gone. Wednesday, September 10th. Thursday, September 11th. Urban Decay Face Bond Collection. So if you guys remember, I talked about their foundation, that mattifying one. So oily skin girls, that foundation, now's the time to pick it up. Half off. And I'm talking hot climate, wherever you're going, wherever you live. Yes, need that. Sniff's Vanilla Vice will be on sale. That's a nice, affordable fragrance. Vanilla, y'all know I'm already here for it. And again, half off. So Saturday, September 13th. Now, I have not used this foundation for years, but I know there are people who still ride hard for it. So Estee Lauder's Double Wear Stay in Place foundation will be on sale. Clarins Double Serum Complete Concentrate. Oops, hit something. That will be on sale. That is a good serum. I feel like Clarins is kind of slept on a little bit as like a skincare brand to keep in mind. NARS Orgasm Blush Collection. And now they actually have blushes that can use. Sunday, September 14th. Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizer. That is a very good face moisturizer. So definitely time to pick that up, especially like oily skin. They have different versions for like oily skin, dry skin. And I'm looking here. Yes. So the moisturizing gel, the moisturizing lotion, and the hydrating jelly. Yeah, I feel like if you're a Clinique girly, you already know. Go ahead and pick that up. Ooh, the GrandeBROW Enhancing Serum. So if you saw the videos that I've posted, the serum that I use to grow out my eyebrows, it's going to be on sale. Thank you. Thank you for informing me. Now I know. So now on September 14th, go ahead and stock up because it's not cheap. I think the full size is like $74. So, but it's worth it. And it does absolutely positively what it needs to do. If you guys are wondering, these are my brows tinted. There's no product in my brows. This is just them tinted. Yeah. Monday, September 15th, Tuesday, September 16th, Wednesday, September 17th, Thursday, September 18th, the Belief Aqua Bomb Depuffing Eye Gel. So that's a very good eye cream, especially one to use in the morning. It just wakes you up and the whole depuffing, all of that. So definitely recommend that one. And ooh, that was the last day. So I guess I'm 2 days behind. So it must have started on the 29th, not yesterday. But that was the last day. Again, deals definitely seem to, and here's the thing, when I'm saying like nope, nothing like that, I'm not saying that there's nothing else that, you know, you might want to check out, or maybe I want to check out for the very first time. I'm just saying nothing that I can recommend or nothing that like stands out to me. So there might be things on those other days. So definitely I will have it linked in the description down below for you to go fully check out and, you know, get your planning done, stuff like that. But just, you know, cute, quick little, I guess, kind of my recommendations type thing. Same thing you would do when the Sephora sale is coming around on things that you might want to keep in mind, jot down that the day is coming where you can get it for a little less money. So that is it for this video. I hope I hope seeing me do this has helped. If you needed any ideas or any reminders on anything that you need to pick up, stock up on, let me know in the comments down below if you plan to shop anything from the sale. If there's anything that I overlooked that you're saying, girl, you might want to check this out, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.